Looking for a stunning dessert for your Christmas dinner? How about a Christmas trifle magic, a layered delight that's sure to impress? Imagine layers of fluffy sponge cake, silky custard, fresh fruit, and creamy whipped cream, all adding up to a festive feast for the eyes. Ready to whip up your own Christmas trifle magic? Here's how. First things first, gather all the ingredients. You'll need a sponge cake, velvety custard, your favorite fruits, think berries or peaches, and a dollop of whipped cream. Remember, the more the merrier. Got all your ingredients? Great. Now let's move on to the fun part, assembling the trifle. Making a trifle is all about layers. Each one adds a new flavor and texture to the dessert. Let's dive right into the assembly process. We'll start with a layer of sponge cake, a foundation that will soak up all the goodness from the layers above. Next comes the custard, a creamy delight that adds a smooth contrast to the cake. Following the custard is a layer of juicy, tart fruit. This not only brings a pop of color, but also a burst of flavor that cuts through the richness. Finally, we crown it all with a fluffy cloud of whipped cream, creating a light and airy finish. Now, we repeat these layers until our trifle dish is brimming with deliciousness. Each layer is crucial, working in harmony to create a symphony of flavor and texture in every bite. And there you have it, your very own Christmas trifle magic. But before you dig in, here's one last tip. Want to make your trifle even more impressive? Here's a pro tip. Let your trifle sit for a few hours, or even better, overnight before serving. This melds the flavors together, heightening the taste. Now it's time to enjoy your Christmas trifle magic. And remember, sharing is caring. That's all for today's recipe, folks. We've mixed, layered, and chilled our way to a stunning Christmas trifle. It's your turn now to create this festive delight. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!